Alrighty, so now we're going to go through the New Orleans Oracle deck by Fatima Mabash, and the artwork is by Laurie Felix, and this is a 33 card guidebook, deck and guidebook. And just look at this. So you can go and get yourself a copy at www.thenewOrleansOracleDeck.com. Very excited. Now this has been opened because I did get it signed. Oh no, we have the dreaded the dreaded plastic wrap. It is not like me. It does not like Bethany. I always struggle, struggle town. Hang on, I'm gonna try and get this open. So as I mentioned in the first video, I met Fatima at Newts this year, the Northwest Tarot Symposium, and it was a pleasure. I'm going to go get some scissors. Alrighty, I got the plastic wrap off. So I met Fatima at Newts, and we were on the Ethics in Tarot and Divination panel together, and I snapped up a copy of her New Orleans Oracle deck and I got it signed. So we're going to go through the guidebook later, but let's discover the cards. So this is a lovely oracle size. It kind of reminds me of the sort of Hay House size of oracle cards. That beautiful yellow on the back. I absolutely love it, with the French fleur-de-lis on the back with the butterfly. Okay, so power. Oh, so stunning. New beginnings, Lafayette Cemetery, number 1. So I have never been to New Orleans or New Orleans. I do really want to go and want to visit. I do know that it is rich in history for hoodoo and voodoo work, which I am not an expert in whatsoever. I do not claim to be an expert in that whatsoever. So this is a really, beautiful deck for me to discover and learn some new things about New Orleans. Let Loose. So Mardi Gras. Music Healing. I love that the borders are all different colors. Oh, this one's gorgeous. Elusive Priestess. Because New Orleans, I mean, I think of New Orleans and I think of a lot of color, bright color, and music, and so I really do appreciate the beautiful colors. So Gratitude. Oh, this one's powerful. Oh, End of Cycle, number 7. Katrina. I believe that's representing Katrina. Number 8, Share Your Gifts. I love this. This person's getting a reading on the side of the road. Oh, gorgeous. 9, Dreams. Really stunning artwork by Laurie. Number 10, I'm going to probably pronounce this incorrectly. I apologize. Lagnapi. I'm sorry if I did. I'm trying. So that's gorgeous. 11, Signs. Crystals are so beautiful. 12, Self-Care. We have the lotus opening up all those beautiful chakras. 13, Patience. Yes. Not one of my best virtues. I'm not the most patient person in the world. I wouldn't be surprised if this comes up a lot in my readings. 14, Adventure. Oh, so beautiful. There's like little mermaids down there and little beings of elementals and little portal of love. I mean, I would totally walk through that. 15, step back. 16, companionship. The very 3 of Cups vibration, which I really love. Oh, gorgeous. 17, body balance. This reminds me very much of Mahat, the Egyptian goddess. I love that everything about this image is just so stunning. Day and night, yin and yang, beautiful. 18, peace, the Om symbol in the middle. 19, abundance. Gorgeous. 20, focus. 21, learning, those higher chakras opening up there with those third eyes. So we've got 5 eyes and the DNA sequences. 22, speak your truth. 23, success. 24, keep going. The yellow brick road. Sometimes you do have to take off your heels, I get it. I can barely walk in, I can't walk in heels, full stop. Let's say not barely, I just can't, so I feel that one. 25, nature. That is so stunning. What a beautiful representation artistically of nature. 26, awakening. 27, intuition. 28, flow. Another gorgeous card. Very almost phoenix-like in nature, but also has quite a strong water element in there. 29, spiritual teaching. 30, make a wish. Oh, that wand is so gorgeous. 31, duality. It's beautiful, even if you turn that upside down. So we've got, it's really gorgeous. Like I said before, I love the bright colors. Growth, the cardstock is, she's so beautiful. It reminds me of my Millennium Gaia. And 33, create your reality. So gorgeous. Really lovely cardstock. It fans, like as you can see, this deck fans beautifully because it has that that sort of glossy lamination. I think the cardstock's got to be at least 350, if not a little bit heavier, but it's not unshuffleable. Okay, shuffle's really lovely. So I'm going to. So we have learning. So let's have a look through the. Oh my gosh. She's got, Ethany's got, I've just got picking that up today. Okay, so learning. Let's have a look through the guidebook. Oh, so about the deck. About the author. So you can also check out Fatima's website, Awaken with Fatima. And she has a new shop in New Orleans as well. I'll try and find the link so that if you're in the area, you can go and say hello. So Laurie. So instructions. I thought that might be Marie Laveau. So we have, then it's, the great thing about it being numerical, it's very easy to find your, so learning. The more you know, the more you realize how much there is left to learn. So very true. You are currently in a learning and growth cycle that will lead you in the direction that you desire. I also feel like this is a really good card for me, being a Gemini who likes a lot of information. So you get, at least if you took out the image, a page of information, and it is in full color, which is really stunning. And then we have affirmations at the back. I attract only that which is for my highest good. I am worthy of all the good that comes to me. I am enough. I feel safe. I am happy. I am desirable. I am fulfilled. And then this is the beautiful Fatima. What a stunning deck. I'm so glad I got to sit down and finally go through this deck. I will, as always, pop below the link to where you can go and find the New Orleans Oracle deck. And as always, thank you so much for watching.